right, so hit it again.
53.
Number 53. Gerald Wright. Congratulations, Gerald. All righty.
There we go. Number 12. Let's see who number 12 is. Number 12 is Gerald Wright. Congratulations, Gerald.
Oh, hey, buddy. What's up, buddy? I'm gonna tell you how I'm a two-time winner. Two-time? What? First off, what we got first? From Papa Dan, I won this nice koozie. Well, I just got your name on it. It says Gerald Wright. There I am. Yep. Hey, buddy. Yeah, that's awesome. But, yeah, I appreciate this. This is gonna go well with my Monster Coffee energy drinks. Appreciate you. I thought we was a team. We are a team. You can use it sometime. I'm gonna use it right now. Whatever. And now, what makes me a two-time winner? Us, a two-time winner. We also won this Camaro. Okay, that's mine. Yeah, whatever. I won this from Woody's Models. We did? We won this. Didn't you ever learn about sharing? This is gonna be a fun kit. It is. I'm gonna enjoy building it. Thank you, Jerry. Yeah. Thanks, Jerry. And I almost forgot. You can't forget Papa Dan sent me these nice shop cards. Oh, that's cool. Say Papa Dan's Models. Yeah, that's real nice. As real as you can imagine. It's a nice image on it. What else we get? And he also sent me one. Okay. From Caleb's Corner. Caleb's Corner. It's his grandson. Caleb's Corner. And he also sent me another card. They got both of them on it. All right. I appreciate these cards. Yeah, we appreciate this.